Ready to take your DIY projects to the next level? We've rounded up 50 game-changing tools that every enthusiast should have in their arsenal. From trusted classics to solid game changers, these picks are designed to make your projects smoother, faster, and way more enjoyable. Whether you're building, repairing, or just diving into a new hobby, these tools are here to elevate your craft. Let's dive in and discover the must-haves that will transform how you tackle every task. So, you've got a dent on your car and it's staring at you like it owns the place. So, let's fix that first, shall we? Enter the Vavor 800-watt stud welder dent repair kit, a beast of a machine designed to handle everything from tiny dings to gnarly dents. This bad boy offers 5 welding modes, including stud welding, waveline, and even thermal annealing, so you're covered no matter the job. The straightforward controls make it a breeze to use, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. No advanced degree in welding required. Here's the kicker. It's portable, compact, and packed with 13 accessories, all neatly stored in a toolbox. No need to stress about overheating, because the built-in protection kicks in at 203 degrees Fahrenheit to keep everything running safely and smoothly. Whether it's carbon steel, stainless steel, or even galvanized sheet metal, this kit means business. So if you're ready to make dents disappear like magic, the Vavor Stud Welder is your new best friend. Alright, let's say you're trying to troubleshoot your electrical system. Maybe it's your motor, circuit, or something else acting up, but you're stuck guessing. Frustrating, right? Well, guess what? The Kaiweets Inrush Digital Clamp Meter is here to save your day. This isn't just your average clamp meter, it's like the Swiss Army knife of electrical testing. With true RMS technology, it measures up to 1,000 amp AC/DC current, 1,000 volt AC/DC voltage, resistance, temperature, and more. And if inrush current issues are your nemesis, this bad boy will pinpoint the problem within 100 milliseconds. Perfect for diagnosing motors or tricky circuits. But wait, there's more. The non-contact voltage detector ensures you stay safe while testing, and the built-in flashlight plus a fancy upgraded backlit screen means you can see everything clearly, even in a dungeon. And it's packed with advanced features like VFD filtering and LOZ mode for super accurate readings. Certified to IEC 61010, 1 standards, and with double insulation, it's as safe as it is smart. So, whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, the Kaiweets Clamp Meter will make troubleshooting electrical issues feel like a breeze. Safe, reliable, and packed with features. It's a no-brainer. Struggling to keep your projects perfectly aligned? Meet the Weddles Corner Clamp. Getting those perfect 90-degree corners for your woodworking or DIY projects can feel like a nightmare, especially when you're juggling tools and materials. This set of 4 clamps is designed for single-handed operation, so you can hold your project steady and adjust the clamp simultaneously. With a strong anti-rust spring, these clamps securely grip boards between 3 by 16 inch and 3 by 4 inch thick, ensuring they stay put whether you're working on picture frames, cabinets, or a wooden DIY masterpiece. Crafted from premium polyamide material, these clamps are built to last and are lightweight enough for effortless handling. Plus, their adjustable jaws make them perfect for T-joints or corners, even when dealing with boards of different thicknesses. It comes in a gift-ready box, making it a perfect pick for dads, grandpas, or anyone who loves tinkering with wood. Practical, durable, and ridiculously easy to use, the Weddles Corner Clamp is a must-have for anyone who wants precision without frustration. Need reliable job site lighting that doesn't quit? Meet the M18 Rocket Tower Light Charger Kit. Let's face it, job site lighting can be a total hassle. Too dim, too bulky, or just not built to handle the rough and tumble world of construction. The M18 Rocket Tower Light Charger Kit fixes all that with a design that screams durability and performance. First off, 6,000 lumens of TrueView high-definition output means this thing doesn't just light up your work. It floods it with crisp, consistent brilliance. And those 3 pivoting light heads? Absolutely amazing. Aim them anywhere, overhead for shadow-free visibility or downward for precision tasks. It's crazy portable too. The tower extends to 7 feet in seconds and collapses to under 4 feet for easy transport. Need power? Dual options let you run it on the included M18 trademark Red Lithium 8.0 battery or plug it into an extension cord. Oh, and there's a USB port for charging your devices, because why not? Built like a tank with IP54 water and dust resistance, reinforced legs, and impact protection, this light shrugs off rough-handling durable versatile and bright. This is the lighting solution your projects deserve. Frustrated with unreliable plasma cutting torches? Let's fix that with the AG60P from BestArc. Dealing with inconsistent plasma cutters is a total pain. Poor connections, weak arcs, and cheap materials can turn even the simplest job into a nightmare. But this plasma cutting torch from BestArc is a very handy tool for precision cutting that doesn't let you down. It's a 13-foot torch and isn't just about reach. It's packed with features that make your life easier. With HF Pilot arc ignition, starting arcs is a breeze, even on rough surfaces. The pure copper joints and CNC integrated design mean you're getting optimal conductivity and durability, not some flimsy piece of hardware. What's more, the included consumables kit includes a nozzle, electrode, ring, and cup, ensuring you're ready to roll straight out of the box. Designed for 50 to 60 amp plasma cutters, the AG60P boasts a 60% duty cycle, so it powers through demanding jobs without overheating. And with an M16 1.5mm air interface and 2-pin connector, compatibility with machines like the BTC 500DP Gen 2, 3, and 7 is seamless. Comfortable to handle, tough as nails, and built for performance, the AG60P torch is a must-have for anyone serious about plasma cutting. It's time to leave those unreliable torches in the dust. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Grease guns don't typically get the spotlight, but the Makita XPG01Z 18-volt grease gun is built to turn heads. It's cordless, powerful, and packed with features that make lubrication jobs faster and way less annoying. This beast pumps out 10,000 psi of max pressure and up to 10 ounces per minute. That's serious power for even the gnarliest, hard-to-reach fittings. The 2-speed settings, low and auto speed, are great, giving you just the right power when you need it. The auto speed mode is smart enough to adjust the flow rate based on resistance, which is a game changer for efficiency. The design, super user-friendly. The 47-inch flexible hose gives you access to those impossible spots, while the built-in LED lights make sure nothing is left in the dark. Plus, with a lock-on button and a shoulder strap, long jobs don't feel like a chore anymore. And let's not forget, this tool is part of Makita's 18-volt LXT system. That means fast charging, compatibility with a ton of other tools, and their star protection tech to keep everything running smoothly. For workshops, garages, or job sites, the Makita XPG01Z is a cordless grease gun that earns its keep. Versatile, powerful, and ridiculously easy to use. It's worth a spot in your toolkit. Water management can be a mess, especially when you're dealing with clogged filters or hard-to-reach spots. The Milwaukee M12 stick transfer pump flips the script with a design that's all about efficiency and ease. First off, the 36-inch submersible aluminum barrel is a lifesaver, letting you reach water at the bottom of trenches or basins without breaking a sweat. Thanks to HydroPass filter technology, its 360-degree filter ensures uninterrupted flow, even in heavy debris, cutting downtime from clogs. With the M12 battery platform, this pump eliminates the hassle of manual pumping. It moves up to 9 gallons per minute and delivers a solid 275 gallons on a single M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0 battery. That's serious productivity with minimal effort. Need to push water uphill or over walls? The 15-foot max head height has you covered, and with a standard 3x4-inch garden hose outlet, setup is straightforward, whether you're draining trenches, sump pits, or water meter boxes. Compact, efficient, and built to handle the tough stuff, the M12 stick transfer pump ensures a quick, hassle-free water transfer. Milwaukee nailed it again. When it comes to cable management, struggling with inconsistent tension and messy cuts is the last thing you need. Enter the Steady Cable Tie Gun, designed to make fastening and trimming cable ties faster, cleaner, and frustration-free. What sets this tool apart? First, it's all about control. The adjustable tension dial lets you customize the tightness for cable ties ranging from 2.5 to 4.8 millimeters wide. And once the job's done, the Sharp S45C steel blade delivers a flush, clean cut every single time. No sharp edges left behind to cause trouble. The one-handed operation is a great advantage. Simply pull the ergonomic trigger repeatedly, and the tie tightens and trims with precision. The lightweight design makes it portable enough to take anywhere, whether you're working on underground cables, construction sites, or home wiring projects. Durable and reliable, the Steady Cable Tie Gun combines a premium steel body with an upgraded internal structure for smooth operation. Say goodbye to clunky mechanisms and uneven cuts. This is the tool your cable management setup deserves. Compact, efficient, and built to last, it's the perfect addition to your toolkit. Power strips are essential, but let's be real. They rarely offer more than just outlets. The Klein Tools 29602 Magnetic Power Strip? This isn't your average power strip. It's a multifunctional tool built for workshops, job sites, and anyone who takes their workspace seriously. What makes it stand out? For starters, it's got 5 grounded outlets, plus 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port to keep all your devices charged, from tools to laptops. The built-in surge protection safeguards your gear from electrical spikes, while the LED status indicators keep you informed. But here's the cool part. It features a down-angled LED work light with motion sensing. Need to grab a tool in a dimly lit area? The motion-activated light turns on automatically, no fumbling for switches. Installation is a breeze, thanks to rare earth magnets that securely mount it to metal surfaces like job boxes or workbenches. No metal nearby. The versatile mounting holes have you covered, and the 5-foot heavy-duty cord with strain relief ensures durability even in tough environments. With its thoughtful design and functionality, the Klein Tools Magnetic Power Strip is more than just a power source. It's a workspace upgrade, perfect for pros and DIers alike. When it comes to on-site versatility, the DeWalt 18-volt XR brushless compact circular saw packs a punch in a lightweight, ergonomic design. This is no ordinary circular saw. It's your go-to tool for sheet materials, roof battens, and even cutting access panels. The brushless 18-volt XR system ensures smooth, efficient performance with a no-load speed of 4,500 RPM. The 24T 11mm TCT blade delivers clean, precise cuts, and with a max depth of 38mm at 90 degree and 25mm at 45 degree, it's ready to handle a variety of tasks. What sets it apart? The tool-free bevel and depth adjustment make quick changes effortless, while the built-in dust blower and airlock-compatible dust port keep your cut line clear. Safety is a priority with features like an electronic brake to stop the blade quickly and a lock-off switch for added control. The kit comes loaded with extras: 2 5-amp-hour XR batteries, a 1-hour charger, and a durable stock box 2 for storage. Compact, cordless, and weighing just 2.5 kilograms, it's perfect for pros on the move. If precision, portability, and power are what you're after, the DeWalt XR circular saw is an absolute winner. Alright, so let's talk marking tools. You've probably used one of those basic carpenter pencils that work fine until they roll away, break, or need constant sharpening. Enter the Ox Tools Pro Tough Carbon Marking Pencil, which doesn't just improve the game, it rewrites the rules. First off, build quality. This thing feels like a tank of marking tools. Crafted with PP, ABS, and stainless steel, it's made to survive any job site. Drop it, use it in tough conditions, no problem. And the needle nose tip? Perfect for those tight, hard-to-reach spots where regular pencils just can't cut it. The one-click lead advance system is ridiculously satisfying. You get just the right amount of lead every time. Pair that with the 2.8mm multicolored leads, and you're set to make clear marks on literally any surface. But here's the kicker. There's an integrated sharpener in the cap. No more wasting time hunting for a sharpener. Just twist and go. Plus, the square design keeps it from rolling away, which is such a simple yet genius touch. This pencil isn't just a tool. It's a tiny productivity upgrade that saves time and makes your workflow smoother. For anyone who takes their marking seriously, the Ox Tools Carpenter Pencil is a no-brainer. This is the yard cleanup upgrade you didn't know you needed. Meet the Works Nitro 40-volt leaf jet. This isn't just another leaf blower. It's like strapping a jet engine to your yard work routine. With 620 CFM in volume mode and 165 miles per hour in speed mode, this thing has the power to clear not just leaves, but wet debris, mulch, and even stubborn pine needles. It's an absolute beast for tough jobs. But it's not just about raw power. The variable air nozzle lets you easily switch between high-volume airflow for big areas and high-speed precision for the tricky stuff. And when things get serious, turbo mode kicks in like a cheat code for your lawn. At just 3 kilograms, it's light enough for one-handed operation, and the Brushless Motor 2.0 adds 40% more power and 10% more runtime compared to older models. Plus, the PowerShare Pro batteries are compatible with over 140 Works tools, so you're investing in a whole ecosystem, not just a tool. If you want a leaf blower that's powerful, smart, and doesn't leave you exhausted, the Works Nitro Leaf Jet is the ultimate choice. Your yard will thank you. Drywall sanding doesn't have to be the messy, back-breaking job it's known for. The Bastante 1250-watt drywall sander is here to revolutionize your workflow with power, precision, and smart features that make sanding feel effortless. At its core is a 1250-watt, 11.5 amp brass motor with 5 variable speeds ranging from 800 to 1,800 revolutions per minute. So whether you're tackling drywall, ceilings, or even floors, this sander adapts perfectly. The foldable and extendable handle goes from 5 feet to 6.6 feet, making it a breeze to reach high ceilings or tight corners. Dust? Not a problem. The built-in vacuum dust collection system removes up to 95% of dust, keeping your workspace clean and your lungs happier. Add the LED light strip for visibility in dark areas, plus a 0 at 90-degree swivel head and removable edge for those tricky spots. And you're looking at one seriously versatile tool. What's in the box? 18 sandpaper discs, a dust collection bag, an extension handle, and even work gloves and safety glasses. The Bastante drywall sander doesn't just simplify sanding, it makes it satisfying. If you're serious about smooth finishes, this is the tool to beat. That wraps up our list of the 50 coolest tools every handyman should have. Which one's going straight to your wish list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your DIY crew.